up YouTube? My name's Jess, aka Scale Model Snail, and I just wanted to make a short video announcement that I will be joining Sue, aka Ice Queen's helicopter group build. Now, I know that I have just done a helicopter, but when Sue announced that she was doing a group build, I couldn't resist because Sue is a very dear friend of mine and she is such a talented builder, and I cannot wait to be a part of this. I did not have a helicopter on deck this time around, but my good friend Johnny came in clutch and sent me this wonderful US HH-65A dolphin helicopter. So I believe it is a type of Coast Guard copter. So that's what I will be building for this challenge. I just wanted to give a big thank you to Sue for hosting this group build. I am looking forward to joining in on the fun with everybody. And yeah, so be on the lookout for my helicopter group build videos. All right, bye.